Ciao, welcome to my channel. I am Alessia and today we're going to do a bag with this. So let's start and see what comes out, because I don't know what will comes out. Let's start. This is not a tutorial. This is just me trying to do this. This is me so sure. I've made 16 chains, as you can see. I don't know if make this bag bigger, but I think it's fine. Maybe 18, 2 more. So 18 chains, let's see how it turned out. Right now it's raining outside. Anyway, yesterday I cut my finger, so I don't know why I'm doing this today after the cut, because I have to do everything with my hands really close, but it's okay. It hurts a little, but just a little. So right now I am like this. I really don't know how this will turn out, because it's my first time, and the tutorial I've watched was not with this yarn and was not this big. So I am just trying to see if it turns out, but I think it will turn out great. So let's see. So, I'm very tired, really tired, but really, and I have this right now. I have to reverse it. Here is alright, and here is like a shit. But what can I do? Nothing. Right now I'm going to do the bag border. So, hi guys, it's another day. I just woke up. She's Kiwi. I woke up like 1 hour ago. It's another day. It's another story. So I have my bag here. I'm very happy with it. I wanted a summer bag, now I have it, and I think it's cool. happy. I'm enjoying my life.